All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the On Time, On Target play of the day. You have 4 screens in front of you off the TDA ThinkPipes platform. You have on the far left screen the SPY, which is the S&P 500. So you can see the 1-minute chart there as the market opens. Again, it's kind of trending more positive as we get closer. We have info, which is the IHS market merger, taking that long. Looks like $1 stop or so. We have Aphria, we'll be taking that long, again, 10-cent stop if we can get it. And then same thing with Tilray, another marijuana name. There's our opening bell. So we'll go ahead, and it would be nice if we get a little sell-off before these things flip back along. I'm looking at Aphria right now. If it comes back up to, let's go 810. And then we'll use $8 as our stop. Again, we're going long, so getting ready for the 810 there. Again, going back higher. Watching Tilray as well. That's going to give us a pretty good endpoint on, or entry point on Tilray, but we're looking at Aphria. As long as it holds $8, then we'll keep this 810 and then use 8 as our stop. If it doesn't, though, then we'll reset lower. Okay, there's $8. So let's go 808 is our entry higher. Again, 10-cent stop. So it would take us down to 798. Info starting to move up. All right, again, we're looking at 808 entry on Aphria. There we go. There's your entry point. So get that in. And again, it's 798 is the stop. So make sure you have that set up. Get mine in here, and I'll be back to drawing on the screen. All right, everything's set up for me. So 818 is our first R. So again, we're going long. Get the arrow in here. It lets me draw it. 808 was your entry. So that's, but the 10 cents is going to be 838. It's going to be the exit that we're looking for. All right, we will get rid of that and zoom back in. We are going long here. Here's where we took it. So it's already up at the 1R point. Tilray is not working. That's kind of fallen pretty quick. I'm pretty surprised about that. So I'm not going to take that. But let's look at Nikola. See how hard this thing's fallen. So it's at 20%. Ooh, this is kind of interesting. If this backs up, see how high I would have to back up. If this backs up above 2240, you can short it here. All right, we're almost at 2 R's on our trade. So there's the 2R level. Again, here was the arrow up. See if it lets me finish my arrow. It's not going to want to let me finish. So get ready for the exit now. 838 is your exit. All right, that's it. I'm out. Once I click the mouse here.